queens, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine and I love to do makeup tutorials. So for today, I will be doing a summer sunset eyeshadow tutorial. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows. So we're going to use this NYX palette, Modern Dreamer. It has so many pretty colors on it. I am going to apply some Pro Conceal to my eyelids first, and then we'll get into the tutorial. Okay, so if I can open it. The first color I'll be using is this light pink, I guess, or like a nudish pink. It's out of these two. I'm gonna use this one right here. And I'm going to place that on my lids right in the crease here. So now that I have put that color in my crease, I am going in with this yellow right here. And we're gonna put that focus primarily in the middle of your lids, if you get what I'm saying. Ooh. All right, so I have did the light pink in my crease, and I applied the yellow eyeshadow in the middle of my lids. Next, we're going to go in with this orange here. And what you're gonna do is place it right here on the sides of the yellow, okay? Now with the palette, we're going to use the color purple here. And what you want to do is put it on the inner corner and the outer of your eye and blend it into the orange. So I have finished with the eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with my lashes. So let's see how these turn out. And I'm going to use my Duo Old Faithful glue here. I can't believe what I just did. I broke the lashes. Am I really that strong? I mean, all right, let me go find another pair of lashes. All right, let's try that again with some new lashes. All right, I'm gonna put those on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have applied my lashes. I do think they're a little simple for this look. I normally go a little more dramatic, but we're gonna roll with it. So now I'm gonna finish off my face and complete the whole look. Of course, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty. First, I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray by MAC. I'm gonna use that. Okay, I've applied my foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. Also, I will be using Flesh for contouring. And I think I'm gonna use both. I actually have two different colors. So I'm gonna use both of these colors. Before I blend, I am going to spray my beauty blender with this.
We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning. I'm just taking this moment.
Now that I have finished blending in my concealer and my contour, I have applied my setting powder, the Airspun. Let me show y'all the lid. Walmart special, baby. So let's dust that off, and then I will show you my next step. And with my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush, this one right here. And I'm gonna use my favorite, my Juvia's Place highlighter. Now, oh, I gotta put mascara. Dude, I'll put some MAC mascara on my bottom lashes. Now that I have applied my mascara, I'm gonna go in with my setting spray, my favorite. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna use some of this too. It smells so good. Is this the one I use? I think so. So now we're gonna do lips. I think I'm gonna do a basic lip just because the eyeshadow is a lot. So I'm going to use this Clean Kisses lip gloss lipstick by Crayon Case, and just a dark brown pencil to outline my lips with. So y'all, this is the final look. I'm actually kind of surprised because when I was doing the purple eyeshadow, I was like, ooh, this is a lot. But it's really cute, right? I like it. I think it turned out good, baby. So if you want to do like a little fun summer themed eyeshadow look, I think this is like the perfect thing to do, honey. I'm feeling this. Now I feel like I need to go somewhere. Yeah, this is cute. So if you enjoyed this video and this tutorial, please give me a like, comment, subscribe. As always, I'm thankful for my kings and queens to tune in and see what I do next. I love y'all. Have a great rest of your day or night. I probably shouldn't say that, but peace.